I'm Elle, the founder of the Bebe Method. I've helped hundreds of families go from surviving to thriving by optimizing their baby's sleep and nutrition with my online program called the Bebe Method. It's the one program that covers everything for your little one's first year. In our bundle, you will take away responsive methods to achieve 11 to 12 hours of uninterrupted baby sleep and quality naps throughout the day. Step-by-step guidance through regressions and hiccups along the way, 12 month-by-month Bebe day planners for all sleep, feeding, and developmental needs attuned to your hectic life. It covers safe and optimal practices for breastfeeding, formula feeding, and introducing solids. Customizable science-backed guidebooks that'll save you time, energy, and peace of mind, and so much more. I kept busy parents in mind when creating the Bebe Method because I am a busy parent myself. So hear this. It lasts no more than 90 minutes in total. The program is breaking down into short and bite-sized videos and lessons which are practical, with guidebooks and action plans you can start using right now. Feel free to do the program at your own pace from the comfort of your home. This program is designed for caregivers. And when I say caregivers, I mean everyone, from single parents to working parents, stay-at-home parents, grandparents, step-parents, nannies, or really any caregiver in between. I understand that each family is unique, and the Bebe Method has worked for different families who already tried different solutions or programs with little to no success. I believe in the Bebe Method so much so that I have created a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't totally transform your family life, I will refund you in full. We weren't meant to do this parenting thing alone, so consider me and the whole Bebe tribe your village. If you're ready to go from surviving to thriving during the first year as a parent, then the Bebe Method is the right program for you.